morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in March. It's March 13th. And sorry, I was distracted by the car behind me because it looks just like my husband's car. But then I realized it was a different license plate. So I'm not being followed. I thought, wow, is he trying to get in touch with me for some reason? What's going on? Anyway, no worries for that. So, okay, back to the reason I am recording in my car. I am on my way to the Christmas tree shop because I heard from Affordably Crafty, Kim, that they're selling yarn. At least they are at hers. So I'm going to go check it out. I want to see what they've got. So I'm going to do that. And also, a little while after that, I am meeting my mom. She has a ramp that she's going to give me for Willie because he's really struggling with the stairs with his 3 legs. It's been a long winter of us helping him on the stairs and, you know, being super careful, making sure they're not icy or slippery in any way. But yeah, we're gonna give a ramp a try. So hopefully that'll help him because it's awful to be afraid, and he's always afraid. He's afraid when he goes down the stairs and afraid when he comes up. Because when that back leg slides out from under him, there's nothing to protect him. So that is what I'm doing with my mom. So I'm meeting her at the Christmas tree shop. And then after that, I'm going to my sister's baby shower. She's going to have a little baby girl. We're so excited. So I have her gift over here on the seat next to me. Hopefully she likes handmade because it's all crocheted stuff. There are 3 blankets, 2 bonnets, and a dress. So hopefully she'll enjoy them, and her little baby girl will look lovely in her little dress. And yeah, so that's what's going on in my day today. But I'm excited to check out the yarn at Christmas Tree Shop. I'm really hoping that they have some at my store. And the Dollar Tree is actually in the little plaza next door. So I'm probably going to go in there too and check to see if they have some of that flower yarn that Melanie from Hook to the Left has been raving about. So I'd like to check that out too. So, what are you doing today? I hope you are having a fantastic Saturday. Ooh, we just hit freezing. I just looked at the little thermometer, and it is a beautiful sunny 32 degrees, and hopefully getting warmer. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius, for those of you who are interested in such things. So for a lot of people, that's pretty cold. For us, that's typical March weather. We'll take anything above 0. So yeah, it's probably not going to be as warm as it was earlier this week when it got up to 60. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. The snow is all melted, and well, for the most part. There's still some up on the hills, but yeah, pretty good day. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon, and I'll bring you with me into Christmas Tree Shop and Dollar Tree, and we'll see what we can find. And I apologize for the shaky camera. We get a little permafrost this time of year. The roads get a little bumpy. Oh, big trucks. I hate big trucks. Hurry up and go by. Hey, look at this. I found it. So these are kind of interesting. They have like these flecks in them. Summer Kiss by Lion Brand. And then this softball, but also by Lion Brand. They have that in like a lilac and a pink and a yellow. The Summer Kiss they have in lots of colors. Very springy. And then this, the Comfy Cotton Blend. I can't believe these are only $2, you guys. Let's check our yardage here. 392 yards, 7 ounces, 200 grams. Very exciting. Thank you, Crafty Kim. Or, I'm sorry, Affordably Crafty. Oh, they have some low tide in basic stitch in white. So I'm filling up my basket. Okay, so not as much luck with the Dollar Tree just yarn. This is all I see. So still, there's some pretty stuff here, so I might grab a few. We'll just check the craft corner, just because sometimes they put stuff down there. The store is always such a mess. It drives me crazy. So here's the crafts, but I don't see any more yarn. These are kind of cool though. Interesting. I might grab those just to see what they're like. I don't see any crochet hooks. Paints though, and appliques and stickers and things. Okay, so I am back. I'm actually just leaving my sister's baby shower. But I did get to go to both of the stores, and both of them did have yarn. And I bought a lot of yarn. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it all. So I might need your help. I'm thinking there's going to be a giveaway. So keep watching. The next video might just be a giveaway video. We'll see. Okay, making sure I had my microphone. All right, guys, I'm heading home now. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.